Hey guys, here I come with a quick and easy healthy dosa recipes. Stay tuned till end to know how to prepare it. Dosa or idli are the most commonly consumed breakfast and dinner foods in South India. But changing batter, switching to healthy options cannot be possible at all times considering your busy schedule. But eating healthy is also a priority. So try these healthy options on your busy days. First recipe is oats dosa. It's very simple. We need your regular dosa batter and 1/4 to half cup of oats according to the quantity of dosa you take. Put the oats in the batter, mix it well, and take a pan and spread your dosa. Add little ghee, preferably homemade, roast it on both the sides. And here's the yummy, healthy, and delicious oats dosa is ready. I like to have it with my coriander chutney. It was yummy. You too try it and let me know about it in the comment section below. Now, let's try the second recipe, that's mixed vegetable dosa. Again, for your busy day, prefer this to eat healthy. It's very simple again. We need some vegetables, your regular dosa batter. First, take a pan, spread your dosa batter. Add ghee, as I said, preferably homemade. Add your favorite vegetables. I added carrots, capsicum, green chili, coriander. Put the lid on and let it cook. And here's your mixed vegetable dosa ready. Look here, it's so delightful to watch it, right? I enjoyed it with some boiled chana for my protein and regular chutney powder. So try it to enjoy it. Like, share my video if you have liked it, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.